guys, what's up, what's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. You know, today we are do a big cookout, you know, granny birthday and thing, you know, so we are do some jerk chicken, curry goat, you know, a whole bunch of food for fried chicken. Yeah, some fried chicken wings and like rice and peas, you know, the whole works, jerk pork, everything up on the menu today. So I just go do, you know, a little vlog taking up on a journey. I'm gonna see what I go on. Alright? Yeah, man. Huh? Yeah, let's make sure it's clean and remove the paper. Yeah, so the jerk chicken them are going. Them not half ready yet, but I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Alright, see you there. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so we have Kaylee over here, so I deal with the fried chicken wings. You know? Let's see what I go on, Kaylee. All on there. Fried chicken, them look good. Crispy. Big bad chef Kaylee. Yeah, man. Chicken, them looking good. Nice color. So I'm just go kind of rotate them now. You know, because you want to make sure all of them get a nice piece of the char color to it. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's a good look. You'll make them a soak for a good 2 hours on low heat. You know? Make it go and soak. Because you know, with jerk, it's not a quick thing. It's not grilled chicken, it's a slow pace type of thing. You know? Similar to barbecuing, you know, long process. Yeah. It's a good look so far. You know, everybody just at the end time come in right, you know. You know, later on, big party, big bashment. Yeah, man. Alright, so we're going to put them here up on top and take off the top one and put the bottom. You know, make them go and soak. Jerk chicken for days. Oh, it's smoky now. Looking good. Looking nice. Yeah, man. Well soaked. The smoke flavor, the spice, them and everything upon it. Yeah, man. Smells so good. Wow. Kinda get heavy, you know. Alright, Malik and Kingdom Business coming in. Yes, it. Check out Malik channel, gaming channel.
Yeah, gaming channel. Yeah, let me know.
Kingdom Business over there, so.
Business things, you know about it.
Business things, see there. You know, his link will be in the description. You know, check out the video. Yeah, man.
Happy birthday. And I pray that I will live just like 93. I pray that God will continue to bless you so you may live to see this more. Yes.
Yeah, man. Oh. Let me get that smile again, girl. YouTube, you know. You're gone live. Yeah, man. Come. Oh. What's the dance though? Hey, 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 hey. Sure.
Why?
You beat you put on Roland?
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
Everything. Somebody wonder why you think. Every drop in a cup and get fucked up and I drinking.
Yeah, drink. Yeah, drink the fly.
Yeah.
You're nasty, man.
We are passed on, so be a horse, we sit down there.
Yeah, man. A good community, you know. Cutie.
Yeah, I tell
What you say?
Tell me boys and go and give a boy one next beer, man. It deep freezer full of beer, you know. Yo.
See promoter when I promoted them there. So, alright. Yeah, man.
If me not grab me a foot it. Anyway the vibes every day them me a look it. Fat girl inna me bed me no look it. So I put a million them new to this.
Go on, man. Hey, hey. Man, this thing ain't tired now. Hey, 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 hey. Mash up the place now. Just a warm up. Hey, show the line now.